Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Jagrati. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you're enjoying on my social media platforms, here are all the links. So welcome to this week's video. For today's videos, I basically thought that summers, I don't want to say it yet, but it is getting hot and summers are basically here. So to kickstart everything off, to kickstart this season, I thought why not just sit down and share a really nice under 5 minutes summer skincare routine. As I mentioned this before so many times, but I'm following a very simple minimal routine on an everyday basis. I'm levitating a lot towards clean and natural products. That's what working best for me. And with summers creeping in, my skin has started to change a little bit. Obviously the humidity changes, the temperature changes, so I've tweaked my skincare routine here and there a little bit. So I thought why not sit down and share it with you. I am literally going to be showing you 3 products and you can achieve your entire summer everyday skincare routine just using these 3 very affordable products. And for this video, I've collaborated with Plum Goodness. I want to give a huge shout out to them for sponsoring this video, and it's now my second or third video with them, but I am loving the brand so much. Like in simple 2 words, their entire motto is about spreading goodness. They're 100% vegan, cruelty free. The main thing is that they do not put any false claims on their packaging. It's very transparent, it's very honest. So let's get into the products and how you can form your entire summer skincare routine using them. Products I'm going to be showing you are meant for normal, combination and dry skin. As I mentioned before, that their claims are very transparent. In fact, not only have they listed what skin types the products are recommended for, but they have also listed what skin types shouldn't use this product. So this is their chamomile and white tea range. The main reason why they're amazing for the summer and why I'm sharing them is because of the ingredients, which is chamomile and white tea. They are very powerful antioxidants, and for the upcoming summer when the sun is going to get harsh, they prevent damage due to the sun. The first product is their face wash. As I said before, to use this on a daily basis, I want something which is gentle yet does the job of clearing out my skin. So this is what the product looks like. You get 75 ml in rupees 300, which is super affordable, and this is the packaging. Also, once you open this, when you apply it on your skin and when you wash your face, it is very gentle and very soothing and calming. And secondly, you also have micro beads. I think it's cellulose, and it basically very gently scrubs out the pores and make sure that your skin is squeaky clean. And even the fragrance in all these products is very mild and very soothing and relaxing. Now, my favorite product, I am loving just applying masks. They are working really well for my skin. This one is again the chamomile and white tea glow getter face mask from Plum. So I simply evenly apply the product all over, and this one you have to leave on for 30 minutes. And as I said before, that masking is doing so well for me, and this one literally made my skin feel baby soft when I removed it all off. And if you haven't tried this kind of clay mask, I would highly recommend. It has made a huge difference in clearing out my skin and, as I mentioned, brightening it. Next thing, super important in summers, definitely you cannot forget this, and that is applying a good sunscreen. Now firstly, this has SPF 50, so it's going to protect you against all that sun damage. And again, the antioxidants of chamomile and white tea are going to make sure to soothe your skin after that, not be too harsh on your skin, especially since sunscreen is something that you're going to reapply very often. I'm going to be showing the application process, but this one does not leave a white cast. Thank God for that. We do not want to look like white ghosts. And it's very lightweight. Like, I do not feel it on my skin when I have it applied on. I'm mentioning this very often, but that is because for a long time skincare did not work very well with my skin. I did not understand what's suiting my skin, but now I know that I'm keeping it simple, keeping it effective. Like, I'm targeting my problem areas and using suitable minimal products accordingly. And as usual, all of the products will be linked down below. Make sure you check them out. There will also be a very special coupon code for an extra discount account. And you can also subscribe to Plum's YouTube channel, so make sure you do that, check it out. And I just wanted this video to be a very simple, quick yet effective video for you, something that hopefully helps you this upcoming season. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe. There's a huge giveaway coming up at 50k, so let's reach there super duper soon. And yes, that's about it. I shall see you very soon with another video.